If you want to describe things in Ukrainian, what do you need to consider? Adjectives. What to consider about Ukrainian adjectives? Let's have a look. Adjectives are words to describe things and people. For example, новий, червоний. I also include here the words перший, which is technically the ordinal numeral, and мій, which is the pronoun, because they also describe things and they will change in the same way as adjectives. So, what to consider about Ukrainian descriptive words? They have gender and number. If it's a masculine singular word, it will have, in the basic form, it will have «й» ending. For example, новий телефон. If it's a feminine Ukrainian word in the singular form, it will have «а» ending, нова книга. If it's a neuter singular word, it'll get «е» ending, нове кафе. And plural words will have «і» ending, нові друзі. These are the basic forms. But if the phrase has a different function in the sentence, it may be in a different case form. So you need to consider cases. Let's have a look. У новому телефоні багато функцій. In the new telephone, a lot of functions. Like, there are a lot of functions in the new telephone. У новому телефоні is the phrase in the locative case form. And we change not only the telephone, and it gets «і» ending, but also the adjective. Новий becomes новому. Ти з новим телефоном? Are you with a new telephone? З новим телефоном is an instrumental case form. So, you need to remember that Ukrainian descriptive words, adjectives, ordinal numerals, and pronouns change according to the case, form, and gender number. There are dictionaries that provide us with this information, as is in this screenshot, where the cases are listed. Відмінок is the case, and they are listed in the following way usually: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, instrumental, and locative. And then однина, singular forms, masculine, feminine, neuter, gender, and множина, plural forms. If you want to compare things, you need to consider the comparative forms. If you want to say this telephone is new, you say цей телефон новий. But if you want to say this telephone is newer, you change the word новий, you add the suffix. Цей телефон новіший. Or the newest. Цей телефон найновіший. I'll give you a link to my Ukrainian basic grammar course where you find all information about Ukrainian adjectives and their comparative superlative degree, which will make you confident in using the Ukrainian descriptive words.